Hi, Matt from 4x4 Accessories and Tyres. Another build for you today. Just want to talk around some of these very cool accessories. Something a little bit different on here as well that I want to show you. So we'll start at the front end. The first thing we got is our tri-projector headlights. Now, for those keen car guys around, you'll notice that there's some inspiration being taken here from the Bugatti Chiron. Very cool little square LED design in there. Start-up sequence, very cool as well. As you can see, it's dynamic sweeping indicators, and they do have a little bit of a blue startup sequence there as well. What we've also got on there, you might have seen that flashing as well, is we have got a fog light and indicator function on there. So it's a gloss black cover that fits directly over the Ford's own fog light, adding the LED element in there as well. We've got our Predator gloss back grille, direct fitment, direct replacement straight from the standard one. And my favourite front bar actually looks really aggressive. The Predator front bar with the teeth on there as well. So aluminium, fully coated as well. So no steel in there, so no rusting. If you notice down there as well, what we do have is we've got a 20-inch light bar. So that's our 20-inch Predator light bar integration with some brackets that fit directly and take up the existing holes that's in the front member of the Ranger. So nice and easy to install in there. Very powerful LED single row light. Now, the one that I wanted to show you was these very cool extreme carbon arches. Now, they aren't carbon effect, they are genuine carbon layered onto top of a composite material. The width of these and its presence when it's driving towards you is just ridiculous. So what we've had to do with that as well is we've had to come up with a concept and a very cool wheel with a decent offset combined with a spacer so it sits perfectly. So this is our 20-inch Panthera wheel. Now, the tyre of choice we got on there is a very aggressive tyre, just to give it that look as well. So we've got a Radar Renegade, and that is a 33 1250 by 20. Sort of like a muddy all-terrain pattern, but it just looks very aggressive. This car has had a lift as well. You won't be able to see, you might be able to see the spring if we zoom in there as well. So we've got the 2-inch lift kit on the Ranger. So we've got a damper and spring, direct replacement on there. On the back we've got the blocks to give it a similar sort of lift as well. If we look up at the top, we've also got one of our 40-inch Predator curved light bars as well. So a lot of light upgrades going on this, like I've just shown you, in the bottom, in the 20-inch, the headlights, and the very powerful curved seamless light bar up there as well. You'll have noticed the differences from the normal Wildtrak. We have done a little bit of paint on this as well, so you can see we have painted the roof rails just to colour code it all black. We've also colour coded the side steps as well, away from the standard silver. What we've done, if we move round a bit further to the back as well, is normally this little section in here is the silver to match the roof rails and the side steps, but we've actually done this in carbon as well to combine with the arches, which looks really nice. As you can see, we have got a mountain top electric roller shutter, so fairly new to the market, but great product, and that's combined with a mounting top crossbars as well. Fits directly onto these channels very easily. And last but not least, we have got our LED tail lights. So fully UK compliant. They've got everything that you need in there for MOTs. There's a lot of them on the market that haven't, but these do have obviously indicator function, fog light function, and reverse as well, so which makes them fully compliant for MOTs and everything. So if you need any details on any of the products that's on this vehicle, we'll put all the descriptions below, and you just click, take you straight through to our website. And if you need any more information that's not already on there, give one of our guys a shout. They'll only be too happy to help, and yeah, hope to hear from you.